Understanding the phrase, a tightwad. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we're going to decipher the meaning behind the phrase, a tightwad. It's a fascinating part of English slang that can be quite useful in daily conversation. So, let's get into it and find out what it means when someone is called a tightwad. The term, tightwad, is a colloquial expression used to describe a person who is extremely frugal and reluctant to spend money, sometimes to the point of being stingy or miserly. It combines the words, tight, which in this context means reluctant to give or spend, and wad, referring to a bundle of money. The origin of tightwad comes from early 20th century America. The word, wad, suggests a roll of money, and tight implies that it is held together so firmly that it cannot be easily separated. Thus, a tightwad is someone who holds onto their money so tightly that they are unwilling to part with it. Let's see how to use a tightwad in everyday conversation. Here are a few examples. Don't be such a tightwad. It's just a couple of dollars more for a much better product. I offered to pay for lunch, but she insisted on splitting the bill. She's not a tightwad, just very independent when it comes to finances. My uncle is such a tightwad that he still has his first dollar earned. In each of these sentences, tightwad characterizes someone with a notable aversion to spending money. It's important to note that while tightwad can be used humorously among friends, it may be offensive if used to criticize someone's character. Cultural attitudes towards money and spending can vary, so it's crucial to understand the context in which you use this phrase. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, a tightwad, and how it's used in English. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the cultural nuances that come with them. Until our next lesson, keep practicing, and don't be a tightwad when it comes to learning new phrases. Goodbye for now, and happy learning!